Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this look on myself and on somebody else, so you can just get both ways if you're doing it on a client or on yourself. Okay guys, so here is a closer look on how you add the lashes. So I'm going to be grabbing one lash and placing it on each individually. My clients close their eyes because I have a few that are blinkers and that will mess up the whole process. So I'm just taking one lash and I'm starting at the end of the eye. Make sure to not place the eyelash on the eyelid, but try to get it as closely as possible for a more natural look. Now, if you want a thicker look, your client can actually open their eyes, or you can hold their eyes open and place them underneath. I will be showing you that in the next part of this video on myself, just to give you different looks and views as to how to achieve the best eyelash look for yourself. Her preference is she doesn't want her eyelashes too thick, so I'm just going to be placing them on the top and not the bottom. But you know, I do get different clients, so just to show you guys a little bit of different ways and different things as to how to do this. It's a very simple process. It's very easy. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to show you how to apply a lash. It will be the same continuously, so I'm not going to keep constantly applying lashes. I do wear my lashes slanted, so don't come for me. But you put it close, but not too close to your eye. Okay, I'm going to show you a mistake that I always make, so don't feel discouraged if you do. Sometimes I'll put my lash on and it won't go all the way to my eye. You can just peel it off at that time. Take your tweezers just like that and just peel it back off. Here's a closer look at how you place the eyelash on the real lash. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys.